Hello, and welcome to Leon's Lockpad. I hope everybody's doing well. So today we're going to pull out, excuse me, going to pull out the lock from the box of locks I got from Ash. We're going to have a try of this Wilko 60mm double locking brass padlock, security rated 7. Steel hardened shackle, corrosive resistant, brass body. It's all clear security ratings. So 1 to 3 would be basic short-term security. 4 to 6 would be medium valuable security access. To locking 7 to 10 long-term security, high-value items, harsh environments. High-value items. I would not use this to secure my high-value items. I'll tell you what my problem is with these, besides I think they're overpriced. It has got some nice weight to it, and yep, we've got a solid brass body, but I think this is far too thin. A good bit of force from something like a crowbar or something like that. I think this would split down here. I think that this, but we're not here to do that. We're here to pick it. Let's see how we do. So we need a medium hook and a homemade tension wrench. Hopefully we're going to pick this in the hand. Back with the keyway with the tension wrench. Let's move that back a bit and zoom in. Not getting much, getting no feedback from these pins, so I reset it. I guess it doesn't come with security pins. I might have to swap out my tension wrench. It's twisting quite easily. Coming off. Sorry, my fingers are in the way there. Let's do it like that. That's why I don't like doing picking. My fingers are in the way more than anything. Yeah, I'm not getting any feedback. No. Looking for a different tension wrench there. I'll have to do it in the vise if you have to use a different one. use a thinner pick. Give me a second. Let's have a look at some. A bit more of a shorter hook on it. Maybe. Oh, there we are. We're open. There we go. Just needed a slight shorter hook. Zoom on there. As you can see, we open. We do have double locking paws in there. Nice snap to it. I mean, it's okay, you know. I'd put this as normal, something that's not valuable, just locking something up. But definitely not high security with that. There's definitely no security pins in there. There were no fault sets, no feedback or anything like that. It just had standard ones. Bit of a tricky one with that one though. Let's have a look. That compared to that. Not much in it really. This is thinner, but yeah. Well, hope you enjoyed that. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.